Hi, good morning everyone. Alright, today we are going to start a new topic, time. Okay? Alright, take your course books, 3B, and open to page 62. Okay, we are going to do hours and minutes. Now I've drawn the clock over here. Alright? Now, as you know, this is the face of the clock. And what numbers are there on it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay? Now, the small lines in between, they are of 5 minutes. Okay? So, each number you jump, it is in 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, this is the 5 times table. Alright? So, you can see, you must remember it is the 5 times table. Alright, what are the words that we are going to do today? Is to or before, past or after. Alright? So, this is called, when you do this, we say we are reading that is how we read the time. Alright? Now, when you use these words to or before or past and after, we are reading the time in the analog way. Okay? Analog time. That is called the analog time. Alright? Now, open your books, page 63, and write today's day and date. Today is the Wednesday, 15th April. Alright, and underline it with blue. Alright, I'm going to do question number 1A. Please look at the clock closely. Alright, now it says there 10 minutes after what o'clock? Alright? Sorry, 20 minutes after what o'clock? So I have drawn the clock with the hands. Now remember, in the clock there are two hands. One is the short hand which shows the hours, and the second is the long hand which shows the minutes. Alright? So what is the time that is shown over here? I have drawn the same thing over here. Now it is 20 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes after. After what o'clock? So where is the hand pointing? Look at it closely. Where is the short hand pointing? It is pointing at 10. So I have written here 20 minutes after 10 o'clock, or 20 minutes past 10 o'clock. 10, 20. This is called the digital time. 10, 20. Alright. Same thing is over here. You can see the short hand is on 10 and the long hand is on 4, which means it's 20 minutes. Now, when you say past, that means the time has passed the o'clock. So, past means, or after means, it has already passed the o'clock. That is why it is 20 minutes past 10 or 20 minutes after 10. Now, coming to the next sum. So, write that down in your empty box. Alright, coming to the next sum, B. Can you see the clock? Look at it carefully. Look at it closely. Alright, so it is 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, and then you can see the little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 minutes. So it's 24 minutes after 12 o'clock. You can see here the shorthand is after 12. So after 12 o'clock, or 24 minutes past 12. Now how do you write this in digital time? This is the digital time. 12.24. Alright? So we are doing past, after. Alright? Now, C. Look at C. Look at the clock carefully. Alright. Now, how many minutes after? So let's count the minutes first. This is 5 minutes. And then you count 1 to 7. So it's 7 minutes after. Now where is the shorthand pointing? It is pointing to 8. So after 8 o'clock. 7 minutes past 8 o'clock. Alright? And how do you write it in digital time? 8 or 7. Alright, now we come to the next one, which means before or to. Now look at the clock. Look at the clock carefully. Alright, now how many minutes before what o'clock? So we have to start counting backwards. Now this time we are going to count backwards. This we were counting forward. This we are going to count backwards because it is before or it is to. Now 5, 10, 15, and then you can see you have 1, 2. So 17. So it's 17 minutes. Count again. 5, 10, 15 and 2 more. So 17. 17 minutes before what o'clock? Now is it already 3 o'clock? No, it's not yet 3. The shorthand has not reached 3 yet. So it is before 3 o'clock. 17 minutes to 3. Now how do we write this in digital? Do we put 17.3 or do we put 3.17? 3.17 will be 17 minutes after 3, but that is wrong. So what do we write the digital time? It's not yet 3, so you have to write 2. Alright, can you all see? 2. And how many minutes past 2 it is? So you count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And how many more minutes? 1, 2, 3. 43. So 2:43. Can you all write that down? Can you see the book? Can you all see the answers? Alright, the next one. E. Again we are using before and to. So, how many minutes before? So you have to count backwards. 5 and 1, 2, 3. So 8. So 8 minutes. 8 minutes before. Is it already 9? Look carefully. Is it already 9? No. So before 9 o'clock. So 8 minutes to 9. Now how do we write this in digital time? Now in the digital time, please remember always the time that has passed, the clock that has passed, the hour that has passed will come. So 8 o'clock, it's already passed. So it will be 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 1 and 2. So 8:52. Alright? And the last clock. Look at it. Look at it carefully. Alright. Now, how many minutes to? So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes before. Is it already 4 o'clock? No. Look at the red hand. It's not yet reached 4. Alright. So before 4 o'clock. Alright. So 25 minutes to 4. Now how do we read this digital time? It's not yet 4 o'clock. So it is 3 o'clock. Alright. It's 3. And you count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 3:35. Alright, please look at the answers. And fill in the boxes. Look at the answers and fill in the boxes carefully. Alright, now we will go to the next page in the course book. Turn the page to page 64. We are going to do sum number 4. Where should the missing hand be pointing at? So you have to draw the hand. Now remember, if you have to draw the minute hand, it will be in blue. If you have to draw the hour hand, it will be in red. Okay? So let's read the time first. 10 minutes before 3 o'clock. Alright? So 10 minutes before 3 o'clock. Now they've already drawn the red hand for you. You have to draw, the hour hand has already been drawn. So 3 o'clock has been drawn. You have to draw the minutes hand. 10 minutes before. So we will count backwards. 5, 10. Alright? So 10 minutes before 3 o'clock. That means it is not yet 3 o'clock. Alright? Okay? Alright, the next one, B. 8 minutes after 9 o'clock. Now underline after. Over here you underline before so that you know whether you have to count backwards or you have to count forwards. Okay? Now after means we have to count forwards. How many minutes after? 8 minutes after. So you count 5 and 3 more, that is 8. So here you have to draw the minutes hand. So for this A and B, we are drawing the minutes hand which is in blue color. Okay, we are drawing the minutes hand which is in blue. Alright, so you can count up to 8 and draw your hand. Alright. Coming to number C. 20 minutes past 5 o'clock. Now when you say past, we have to count forward. Alright. So 20 minutes past. And which hand we have to draw? Which hand is drawn? Alright. The minutes hand is drawn. So we have to draw the hour hand. You see, minute hand has been drawn. You can see 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes have been drawn. We have to draw 5 o'clock. Now, the short hand or the small hand will be in red. It will come a little bit after 5. A little bit after 5. Very little. Not in the middle, just a little bit after 5. See, I have already drawn it for you. Have a look. And please draw it in blue. Please draw in red. Please draw your hour hand in red. Alright? Please draw it in red. Alright. The next one. 18 minutes to 8 o'clock. So, again, they have already drawn the minute hand. They have drawn it. You have to draw the hour hand. So, to 8 o'clock means, is it already 8 o'clock? No, it's not yet 8. Alright? So, you have to draw your hour hand in red a little bit going towards 8. Can you see how I have drawn? Alright? Alright. If you have got this, we will go to the next page.